In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, customize, and link text on Wix.com. Let's dive into the world of web design and explore how you can make your site not only functional, but also visually stunning by tweaking your text content. First, you need to open the Wix website editor. Simply log into your Wix account and navigate to the site you want to edit. Once you're in, you'll notice various options on the left side of the screen that allows you to manage different elements of your site. Next, look for the Add Elements button on the left panel. This is your go-to place for inserting new features onto your page, from images to text boxes. Click on it and a menu will appear. Within the menu, you'll see an option labeled Text. Click on it and you'll have access to different text styles you can add to your site. At the top, you'll find titles, which are excellent for headings or any text you want to stand out. Directly below, there's paragraphs for longer text blocks or body text. Now, let's talk about customizing the text to match your creative vision. Once you've added the desired text element, click on it to activate the editing toolbar. Here, you'll see the Edit Text option. Clicking this will open a new panel where you can start making changes to your text. Begin by adjusting the font size. You'll see a section labeled Font Size PX. Simply click it and select the size that fits your design. Next, explore the vast array of fonts. Click on Fonts in the toolbar to browse and pick a style that aligns with your brand or theme. Don't stop there. Spice up your text with effects. Adding effects can give your text more depth and make it pop. And for precise control over your text layout, use the character and line spacing settings. These options allow you to adjust the space between letters and lines for refined typography. If you'd like your text to stand vertically, there's a simple toggle for vertical text. This can add a unique touch to your design, particularly for sidebars or labels. Linking text is another powerful feature on Wix. In the text settings, you'll find an option to link your text. Clicking it opens a variety of hyperlink choices. You can link to a page within your site, an external web address, a specific section or anchor on your page, or even the top bottom of the page to facilitate smooth navigation for your visitors. Additionally, you have options to link to a document, an email, or a phone number, making your site even more interactive and engaging. By mastering these steps, you can transform your website into something captivating and user-friendly. Thanks for joining today's session, and happy designing!